KRT Arts, BSc Commerce, AM Science College Nasik, and UGC HRDC, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune jointly organize 10th Day Faculty Development Program. And under this program, I am Dr. Dharandali V, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Suvaning, going to represent my video. The topic is study of some important medicinal plants. On Earth planetarium, near about 2.5 to 7.5 lakhs species of flowering plants are grown. Out of that, approximately 10% plant species, that is 25,000 to 75,000, are used as a medicine. However, only 1% plant species have been studied scientifically for their medicinal use. According to WHO, about 80% people, especially rural and tribal area, directly or indirectly using herbal plants in curing the different types of diseases. Next please. Table number 1 shows worldwide distribution of the medicinal plants. Here there are different countries. China, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Thailand, USA, etc. In second column, here we are giving different medicinal plant species grown in a particular area. Secondly, under the pie chart, there is a percent-wise distribution of medicinal plants in a major countries, and it is found that China gives topmost medicinal plant. After that, India, Indonesia, then Malaysia, Nepal and Pakistan. Next. Now we are going to study the some important medicinal plant. Out of that, first one is the Shatavari. Botanical name of the Shatavari is Asparagus racemose, and it is related with the family Libiaceae. Native place of this Shatavari plant is India. It occur in a Konkan region, particularly near about 300 species of these Shatavari plants are grown in a Konkan region. For this Shatavari plant, loamy and sandy loam soil or light and well-drained soil is suitable. For the Shatavari plant, tropical and subtropical climate is suitable. Now see the morphological character. When we see the figure of these Shatavari roots, we observe that the Shatavari plant is basically perennial, climbing and shrub habit. Roots are, see in a figure there are roots, and they shows tuberous succulent having length about 30 to 100 centimeter. Stem is woody, smooth with spiny in nature. Leaves are reduced, sheafy scale, just shapu leaves are there. Flowers are simple racemose with 2 to 6 flowers with white in color, and after maturity they become pink in color. Fruits may be pulpy berries. See in the figure we observed the pulpy berry type of fruit. They are fleshy, rounded, green in color, and after maturity they become red in color. Plant part use. Basically Shatavari plants roots are used, and they contain glycoside and saponins. Medicinal use of these roots of Shatavari plant. First and most important use of the Shatavari plant, it improves the memory of intelligence and strength of maintain youthfulness. Secondly, it increase the breast in milk, particularly in female. It is used sexual tonic and promotes the sexual disorders. It cures uh, it cures the swelling of excess bleeding. It is useful against the urinary ulcer tonic. It is used as a ulcer tonic. It is also used for the diabetic patient and other urinary disorder. The Shatavari plant is ready for harvesting after 2 to 3 years, and it continue 10 to 15 years period. It gives yield every year, that is 12 to 15 quintal per hectare, and market rate of this root is 40 to 50 kg per. Next important medicinal plant is Google. See, in this figure we observed the Google plants. Botanical name of this Google is Compiferous mucul, and it is related with the family Bruceraceae, and it is native from Africa. In India, it is grown in Maharashtra, MP, Gujarat, Rajasthan as well as in Karnataka. For the Google plant, loamy or sandy loam soil is suitable. Light and well drained soil, this crop is grown luxuriantly. Climate, this crop is grown in tropical, dry, hot and dry climate where less rainfall are grown. Morphological character, actually this is shrub. It may be, in some species it may be trees with spines having height about 3 to 4 meters. Stem, thin branches are there and with sharp spines by making a notch on stem, and where the gum like sticky substance are there, and these sticky substance are having medicinal value. Leaves are alternately foliate, glabrous and having the length about 1 to 5 centimeter, and breadth is 0.5 to 2.5 centimeter. Flowers are small, brownish in color, brownish red in color. Fruits are drupe type. Plant part use. In Google, basically from the stem, resins gum is obtained and which is having medicinal value. Active ingredient, for this gum contain 8 different types of steroid and they are having medicinal value. Medicinal use of these Google plant, first and most important use is it is used against the treatment of rheumatic. It is useful for the ulcer. It is also used as a tonsil purpose. It is useful to heart and heart diseases. It is also useful for the hepatitis. It is useful against leprosy, cough and skin disorder. Harvesting, this Google plant is ready for harvesting after 7 years after planting, and it gives yield every year about 700 to 800 gram gum is obtained, and market value of this gum is rupees 200 to 300 per kg. Next important plant, that is Sonamukhi. See, in figure we observed this Sonamukhi plant. Below that there is pods which are also observed in a figure. Botanical name of this Sonamukhi is the Cassia augustifolia, and it is related with the family Leguminaceae. In India, the Sonamukhi crop is basically grown in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Punjab. Soil, this Sonamukhi crop can be grown in a loamy or sandy loam soil. Well drained and light soil is most suitable for this crop, which are must be having pH about 7 to 8.5. Climate: the Sonamukhi crop can be grown in tropical, warm and dry weather condition. Morphological character: first, it is perennial, having height about 80 centimeter and it is erect shrub. Leaves are peripinnate, 7 to 8 pairs of leaflets are present. They are glabrous, yellowish green in color. See in figure we observe this yellowish and green color leaves are also seen. Flowers, basically flowers are yellow in color. Fruits are pod type, they are flat and brown containing 5 to 7 seed. See in this figure we observe this pod type of fruit. It is flat, dark, brown in color and it contains 5 to 7 seeds. Basically pod and leaves are having medicinal value because they contain different types of steroid like A, B, glycerol, and these leaves contain steroid A, B, C and D. Medicinal use: it is used against malaria, jaundice and typhoid diseases. It is also useful for anemia. It is also used to cure the liver complaints. It is also useful to various skin diseases. Harvesting: this crop can be harvested 90 days after planting, then after that 110 days and later on 130 days, and it gives leaves and pods every year near about 50 quintals per hectare, and market rate of these leaves and pod is rupees 25 to 40 per kg. This is the importance of medicinal plant, and hence for that I convince you that medicinal plants are the wealth of nation and we must be preserve them. Thank you. Thank you.